Welcome back for my another compare video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Display type, backlight, panel type, refresh rate, display resolution, brightness, video processor, pixel density, response time, HDMI variable refresh rate, high frame rate, auto low latency mode, consumer electronic control, filmmaker mode, HDR formats, dimensions, weight, wall mount size, special features, tuners, HDMI ports, Wi-Fi version, Bluetooth version, USB ports, 3.5 mm audio jack, RJ45 ports, speakers, HDMI ARC, HDMI EARC, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital AC3, Dolby AC4, Detach X, Detach Digital Surround, Detach HD, System chip, TV platform, version at launch, operating system updates, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, HomeKit, voice assistance, social media. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.